Ostriches are remarkable flightless birds, native to Africa, renowned for their towering height, incredible speed, and unique characteristics. These large birds are the world's largest and heaviest living species of bird. One of the most striking features of ostriches is their long necks and legs, which can reach up to 9 feet in height. Despite their massive size, they are excellent runners and can sprint at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 2 kilometers per hour, 2 kilometers per hour. This remarkable speed is their primary defense against predators. Ostriches have distinctive large eyes, which are the largest of any land animal. Their keen eyesight allows them to detect threats from a great distance. They also have strong, powerful legs that they use for running and kicking as a means of defense. These birds are omnivores, consuming a diet of plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. They have a unique digestive system that includes small stones in their gizzard, which helps them grind down their food. Ostriches live in small family groups with a dominant male and several females. They lay the largest eggs of any bird species, and both males and females take turns incubating them. Ostriches hold a place in human culture, often symbolizing speed and strength. They are also bred for their meat, feathers, and skin in some regions. These extraordinary birds are a testament to the diverse and intriguing world of avian life.
Join the adventure, hit that subscribe button, and dive into a world of amazing content on this channel. Thanks for staying with us and watch this video.